It's that time of year when Mountaineer pride is on full display, and so is the barbecue. The annual Boone County WVU Alumni and Friends Pig Roast is returning to Waterways, promising good food, great company, and that unmistakable golden blue spirit. Joining us now to tell us all about it is Denise Workman. This one is really fun, but for folks who are not familiar, what is the pig roast all about and what can folks expect?
Actually, this is the Boone County WVU Alumni and Friends Pig Roast is our signature fundraising event. It is how we fund all of those scholarships, and so it's a big deal, and it's gone through several iterations over time. It has been a pig roast and golf outing, a pig roast and float and roast, and now it is the Boone County WVU Alumni and Friends Pig Roast and Mountaineer Music Frolic.
and it's a mouthful, but man, it's a good one, and it's for good reason, because we're just trying to incorporate all the details, almost like in the name, and it's evolved into being alumni and friends because so many people want to be part of it.
Absolutely.
And I understand the event is found its home at Waterways. What makes that location so great?
Waterways ends up being a perfect venue for this sort of an event. It has the infrastructure with the amphitheater. It has plenty of shade. They're spacious for lots of parking and gathering of friends. So it's a really good venue, and this will be our second year there.
For sure. And tell us what folks can expect when they attend, as far as like food, music, and good company, right?
A barbecue, they can expect that, and normal picnic fixing, soft drinks, beer, that sort of thing. Our cooks cook that pig. They will have it perfection at 4 p.m. The event starts, that's when the gates open. The event starts at 4:30. So you can expect some deliciousness from those Boone County cooks.
And like you mentioned, we've got some great music. And in fact, we did have a second to talk to the two performers that are going to be there, Braden Williams and Claudia Heuser. In fact, take a listen to what they had to say.
We don't only play on stage, but I often go out in the crowd and do guitar solos, and we're pretty involved with our fans. That's what really brought us to where we're at now.
I'm just excited to get out there with real new friends and make connections and hang out with everybody. I heard there's going to be some amazing food and even more great music throughout the day, and we're just excited to come hang with everybody.
They're just so great, and I can't wait to see them there and perform, playing some country music, some fan favorites and originals. So that's going to be a lot of fun. Really just welcoming summer at the Pig Roast. What else would you like to add, Denise?
I'd like to add that in addition to the Braden Williams Band and Claudia Heuser, we also will have some Mountaineer Alumni Pride members who have been in the band. We have a good run of Boone Countyans who have been in the band, but they have some friends coming in, and so we'll have that as well. I wanted to add that the Braden Williamson Band is, Braden's a local guy. He's from Logan, so just our neighbor, and his drummer is a Boone Countyan. John Dent, and John's son Brady actually plays in the Pride right now, and he's one of our scholarship recipients. So that's very exciting.
Family affair.
It's a family affair, and his uncle had played in the Pride as well. So it is a family affair. In addition to that, with Claudia, you know, she's from New York, and some of our entertainment scouts found her at the Purple Fiddle this winter, and she's on a tour of New York, Pennsylvania, Ohio. She looped into West Virginia so that she could perform for us. So we're excited.
Beautiful, talented. I got the chance to speak with them for just a moment, and they're both just wonderful folks, and it really makes it, I don't know, it's so nice to get to know the talent behind it, and that they're really nice people, kind of, I don't know, it makes it.
Well, and they're happy to do that for an event like this, and so we hope that everyone will come, have the barbecue, but also listen to the music and just make an evening of it.
Have a good old time at Waterways. Where can we go for some more info?
You can go to some more info at our Facebook page and our Instagram account. We have a new web page that is rolling out this week. I was double checking the date. It is not available right now. So, but keep checking that. The WVU Boone County Alumni webpage, it's going to look awesome in a couple of days.
Good. In the meantime, Facebook is probably
Facebook and Instagram have the most information.
You guys are really active on that page.
Yes.
So any questions pertaining to the pig roast, head on over to the Facebook page.
Absolutely.
Sure,
Yeah,
sure.
there'll be updates. And if you want to listen to the preview of the music, there's links to their websites there. And, you know, and just little tidbits as we find out what luminaries might be coming from the university. I know we've got some alumni, you know, leadership, Kevin Barry and some of his staff are coming down. We've always had President Gee, but with that transition, we're not sure how that will work. But there will be some representation, I have no doubt. The Mountaineer, Cade Kincaid, will be there.
Yeah.
So he will.
We call that burying the lead, Denise.
Yes, I know. I had it. I was like, save it. But yeah, so he will. He'll kick us off with a rifle shoot, and
it's gonna be so fun.
It will be a great afternoon.
Looking forward to it. I'm going to be there as well. So I hope to see you guys there in your gold and blue for the Boone County WVU Alumni and Friends Pig Roast, July 12th. It's going to be a great time. Head to Facebook for more details. In the meantime, keep it here. We're going to take a quick break, and we'll have a check of the forecast for you when we return.